Hi, today I'm going to show you exactly how to close all of the apps on your iPhone, and there's a couple different ways to do that. I'll take you step by step through that process. But before we begin, I want to touch on whether Apple recommends closing all the apps. They recommend that if you're using apps over and over to leave them open. This is going to speed up the performance on your phone. Also, if you close your apps, then open them constantly, it drains more battery. But I will tell you I have a little bit of an issue with this, and here's why. One, the clutter of having a ton of apps open. For me, I don't like that. That's just a personal preference. But secondly, if you go into location services and look at your apps, a lot of apps track your location, track your movement. And they only do that, you can set it up whether it's always, which I don't recommend, or whether it's when you use the app or never. And a lot of apps never need to use your location, but weather and map apps, and there's other apps that you're going to use that you're going to need your location turned on when you're using the app. And that's why I have an issue of leaving those apps open all the time, because then at that point, you're always being tracked. But you're going to have to go into location services and check each individual app on your own and make that decision. But I wanted to highlight that before we jump in and I show you exactly how to close all the apps. So go ahead and grab your phone. Let's do that now. Okay, once you have your phone in your hand, to close all the apps, simply touch the bottom of the screen, swipe up slightly, and that will bring up your apps that are open. You can either swipe up one at a time with your thumb, or you can spread them out, and with 3 fingers you can swipe up to 3 apps at a time to go a little bit faster. Now, you used to be able to just power your phone off, and then when you powered it back on, all the apps would be closed, but that is no longer the case on the newer iPhones. Hey, if you like this video, hit that subscribe button, and also if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching, and make it a great day.